YouTubers, this is your boy Frank XP88 coming at you live. So right here we have like a little brunch going on Saturday from JJ Fish and Chicken. Let me show you guys what we have. So it looks like we got some hot wings. What flavor are they?
It's honey barbecue.
Honey and barbecue.
Philly steak.
Philly steak right there. Oh, you know I'm grabbing some of that. We got some fries right here as well too.
Catfish fillet.
We have some catfish fillet.
Chicken wings.
Some chicken wings. Can't go wrong with chicken wings. You know what I mean? Let's see.
Body wings plain.
Okay. Some more fire.
Legs on top.
What is this? Legs and thighs? We got some legs and thighs up in this baby. Well, what kind of sauce is this on top?
Lemon pepper.
Lemon pepper.
Yeah.
All right.
It's not salty. It's lemon.
All right. It's lemon. More better.
Honey barbecue. Boneless wings.
Boneless wings right there. You know I gotta grab me some of those. Man. Buffalo Wild Wings right here. Well, it's not Buffalo Wild Wings. It's hot. We got the ranch right here. We got some hot sauce, Frank hot sauce, right?
Yeah. Mild sauce.
All right, and mild sauce. Yeah, that's pretty much it, huh? That's pretty much it, guys. So holla at your boy, man. Please write down in the comments whatever you guys think, and then go from there. You guys have a blessed one.
Peace.